Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to discuss an issue that many Canon MAXIFY GX4020 printer users may face, the printer not printing issue. If you are one of those users, don't worry, we have got you covered. The first step is to identify why your printer is not printing. There could be various reasons, such as a paper jam, low ink levels, or connectivity issues. To find out the root cause, check the printer's display panel, which will show any error messages. Step 2. Paper jam. If the display panel indicates a paper jam, carefully remove any jammed paper from the printer. Ensure that you don't leave any torn pieces of paper inside, as they may cause further jams. Once done, try printing a test page to check if the issue is resolved. Step 3. Checking ink levels. If the ink levels are low, replace the empty cartridges with new ones. Make sure you use only genuine Canon cartridges, as using non-Canon cartridges may damage your printer. Step 4. Connectivity issues. If you are facing connectivity issues, ensure that your printer is properly connected to your computer or Wi-Fi network. Check the cables and connections to make sure everything is properly plugged in. If you are using a wireless connection, make sure your printer and computer are on the same network. Additional troubleshooting. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, try resetting your printer to its default settings. You can find the steps to do this in the printer manual. We hope this video was informative and helpful in resolving the issue of your Canon MAXIFY GX4020 not printing. If you have any questions, feel free to call us and visit our website. Our technical team will guide you. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.